Okay guys, today we're gonna be playing the close until further notice fire alarm setups part 3. So we're gonna be testing the fire alarm right there, and there's an emergency push station right there. So, and we're in a store, so let's just go over here. There's a fire alarm pull station over here, so let's do it. This one's not running. The one outside isn't too. This thing, it's not running. But that wheelock one over there and that one is running. I think this one is running too. Yeah, I think it is. This door is locked, so I'm gonna have to use the key. The door just came off a bit. That's okay. Don't have to worry. Wheelock 7022-24. I'm guessing. I can't get on these shots. Wow. This store is bigger than I expected it to be. Emergency lights right there. Emergency lights right there. This store is super big. Don't understand why I got these things. Refrigerant leak alarm. When alarm sounds, leave the building immediately. Leave on fire. Wheelock 7022-24. Another one of these. When alarm sounds, leave the building immediately. Leave. This one's not running, but I'm gonna test it after. Agent Willie Siemens, UMMT. Another Wheelock 7022. Another refrigerant leak alarm. If the automatic door keeps open. Now it's... The sprinkler is about to activate. But if you don't know what this is a sprinkler timer. It's about to come on, boys. No. Leave the building immediately. What's in here? It's about to run. 25! Ooh! The sprinkler's on! Gotta get on it. This is like popcorn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's about to go. 3, 2. It's gone. It just stopped. Alright, is it done now? Alright. Someone's trying to set this in. Okay, that's it. I wonder if there's a more over here. Well, that's a fire alarm that's a fire alarm collection warehouse, but that one's a It just came on. Right here's the fire alarm collection. You can see all these BG trolls. This Atom ceiling fan, and this ceiling system sensor, and this emergency exit. It's also pulled by another guy up there. Right here, Wheelock MT. These signs, look, there's Spectre alerts and these Spectre alert Gentex sirens and what are all these? VEPC power box or something. That's a lot of power boxes. Full citizen. I'm just gonna keep the fire alarm on, but I'm also gonna close that door that is right over there. But I can pause when I'm using the Xbox game while when I'm recording. Which sucks. I want that feature to be there, but